Welcome to
Math Problems number 136.
Math Problems number 136. This is a game called Find the Error. Okay, so we're going to simplify an algebraic expression. And this expression is 3 plus x over 2 plus 9 minus 12x over 6. Okay, and somewhere, and I'm not going to say where, somewhere I made a mistake.
Yep.
When I was writing this on the board. I want you to see if you can find it. But I want you to go through it one step at a time and see if you can find the mistake and explain each step if you can.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well,
So step 1 is just the problem.
Yeah.
So you can start on step 2.
then step 2, this was the same, but you divided the 9. You simplified a bit, so the 9 and the 12 are both have a 3 in them, so you simplified here.
Okay. Did I simplify correctly?
Well, there's a 3 in here, and you divided it by 3, and you divided all 3 of these by 3, and you got 3 minus 4x over 2 plus this, and you didn't do anything to this.
Okay. So is step 2 okay?
Looks like it is.
All right.
Then step 3, you added the common denominator.
Okay.
And you group these together, so, but you still have this plus here. You still have that plus there.
Okay.
So, and you grouped them. So, you grouped them together.
Okay.
And 3 plus x, and you brought everything down correctly.
Okay, but you're right about this plus. Maybe what I should have done is I made a small little mistake here, and I should have that plus apply to that whole thing. I guess I got a little sloppy. But that's okay. All right, on to step 4. What did I do to get to step 4?
You simplified a bit.
Okay.
So you grouped the numbers. You grouped this and that together.
What are this and that? Do they have names?
They're 3 and 3, which
Okay.
makes 6.
All right.
And the x and minus 4x make minus 3x.
Okay.
But what about this?
What about those parentheses? What is that? What are those parentheses?
I think you have to distribute the plus first.
Ah, okay. That's good. So what do I get when I distribute this plus to this 3?
You get plus 3.
And what does that group with? What does this plus 3 group with?
It groups.
Well, to go to step 4, I mean.
And the plus 3 groups with these two group to form 6.
Okay. And what about this plus applied to this minus 4x?
They group to form the minus 3x.
Okay, so does step 4 look okay?
Looks like it is.
All
And
right.
then the final step,
All right.
step 5. And so then here, it looks like you simplified it, but you simplified this, but you have to simplify everything.
Oh, what do you mean?
So if you're going to simplify like you did here, you simplified both of them.
Oh.
And you didn't simplify both of them here.
Can I simplify both of them?
No, because these are both prime.
Oh, so what should this last step say?
Well, that last step doesn't look like you can simplify. Doesn't look like you can simplify anymore after that.
That's right. So we don't even need to go to the last step. So I thought I could divide this 6 by this 2 to get a 3. And since I couldn't divide this 3 by this 2, I just left everything else the same?
Yeah.
Is that right?
No.
No. Okay, good job. Good finding the error there. You want to play a giant game of tic-tac-toe?
No.
No? Okay. All right. Good job. Good finding the error this one.